my channel. I'm Alexa. Today we're making fruit kugel. I measured out all my ingredients and I recommend that you do so too. You can find a full list of ingredients and measurements in the link in the description. Remember to watch the video first so you can be prepared. First, cook your noodles according to the package they came from. Then I'm going to put melted butter on my noodles. This will help the noodles not stick together and to mix better with the rest of my ingredients. Then I'm going to add in the eggs. Before I add them in, I'm going to scramble them quickly with a fork so they combine better and more evenly with the noodles. I'm going to mix this until it's evenly mixed. Now I'm going to add in the sugar and mix it in. Next, I'm going to add in the blueberries. A few of them are sticking together, so I'm going to loosen them a little with my spoon. Then I'm going to add in the cherries and the sliced plums. I usually add dried cranberries, but I didn't have them when I was making this. If you want to add any other fruits, this is when you would add them. I'm going to mix this until it's evenly combined. My mixture looks great, so let's move on to the next step. Now I'm going to put about half of my noodle mixture into my baking pan. It doesn't need to be exact. I'm going to smooth it out using my spoon to make it an even layer. After it's even, I'm going to put some raspberry jam on top. I put about 5 teaspoons full of it. You can use more jam or even 2 different flavors. It doesn't need to be even or spread out. Now I'm going to put cornflake crumbs on top of that. Next, I'm going to put it into the oven. My oven's preheated to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. After 18 minutes, I'm going to remove my kugel from the oven. Now, I'm going to put the remainder of the noodles on top of the baked noodles. Then, I'm going to repeat the same process with the jam and the cornflakes. Next, I'm going to put it back into the oven. My oven's still preheated to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. My kugel took 45 minutes to bake. When it's done, the top will be golden brown. Put it on a cooling rack so it can cool. And my fruit kugel is done and looking delicious. Please let me know what you thought of the video in the comments and how the recipe went for you. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe so you can see when new videos are added. Thank you and enjoy!